another fun aspect of college. So we work so hard in school, but then you need to have a good outlet.
Club sports are student organizations first and foremost. They are student run. We have everything from fencing to football. Basketball is just starting. So we have a wide range of sports available currently, and new sports on the horizon always. In a normal year, sport clubs average around 24 total sport clubs and about 300 participants. I know that we have over 100 students right now participating in practices.
So the COVID's a little tough because usually our season would have already started back in September. We don't start till January. So we're just trying to stay loose, throw balls. I don't do as much hands-on just because, we're trying to keep space.
It's really important that Wright State has club programs because we aren't on scholarship to be here. We pay our own money to be here because we love it so much.
We are the women's club soccer team here at Wright State. Being at practice right now is our way to keep our players involved and kind of keep them up, especially in the semester. We all get to laugh and kick the ball around, and also we're getting in shape at the same time too.
We are practicing for our nationals routine, and it's a lot of energy, very fast paced.
We get to support the school. It's a great opportunity. It's made a lot of memories for me.
We thought that from the beginning that we might not even be able to practice. So to be able just to practice and get some time in with other people outside of your home is definitely huge for us.
I'm trying to stay safe and keep my community safe, so I'm wearing a mask, and we have a health check before we go into practice and things like that.
This is the Wright State Gymnastics Club. Basically nothing you can't do at Wright State because they give us all of the tools and opportunities to do what we want to do.
Students who participate are more likely to be successful at Wright State, as well as graduating sooner. So we always encourage our students to be involved if it's not a sport club, in other student organizations and events.